Yung gibuhat niya.
Ay, tawa na kita eh.
Sobra kakatawa nun ba?
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you pala. I love
Dapat
you.
ka ng Murag Knight. Guys, the guy mag Knight.
Knight? Ano yun?
Knight and Shining Armor? So, I don't know.
Ano yun?
Hindi sa atin naman lang, baka may magbigay. Thank you for that. I love you.
Sigtulo kong sipon ba?
Oh, sad.
Awit kayo.
Ano yun?
I'm good.
Ako, very nice. Thank you.
Bro, it's wet tissue.
Bro, it's the best. Ako, I love wet wipes. Sana akong manibro ako hindi ka dry ba? Diba? Thank you for the hat. I love you.
Yes
Oh my
po, wala.
Hello?
Oh.
Wala. Pas-pasa po na. Hindi man takabasa. Where are... See?
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Streamfly then.
Streamfly. Okay.
Streamfly.
Sama.
Fave shoe brand? Oh, depende.
Ako ano... Ay, tanongin niyo muna ako.
Sige, ano sa'yo?
Ano akin? Rick Owens. Legit, Rick.
Yeah. Lamig. Grabe.
Ano yun? Ano ko?
Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. It's not even fun anymore.
Super.
I think I'm dying, bro.
Stop playing, weather.
Signature scent? Hindi ko alam. Hindi
Ako
ko
lang
alam.
tafa.
Ano ba dala ko kahapon, te? Ay, yung isa eh.
Ano bang isa? Gusto ko sana ng bigla ng isa.
I think
Or fresh scents, it's good. Ako, ano like.
what is that? Very dark man.
Ang isa eh?
Yeah, yung cover song niya, I watch it. Galing niya dun.
Kalayan tana sa ako.
I'm proud, I'm proud. Sige, libre niyo ako. Punta ako dyan.
Sukos.
Libre niyo ako pamasahe. Punta ako dyan. Mag Davao, mag Cebu daw.
Soon.
Basta, ano, basta,
Dili.
hopefully, makadto.
Buhay.
Nasa radyo ko daw sabi mo.
Sorry guys, putol-putol atong live kay busy mo good me. Yung lakaw-lakaw ba. So, balin-balin, so, you know, I have to end it. Nasa Korea sila, yes. Nasa Korea sila.
Sino nasa Korea?
How do you guys know? Paano nalalaman? Ha? Ano na?
Alex.
Paano nalalaman na nasa Korea yung iba? Kasi nag-post pala sila, ano? Baka mamaya, nag-reveal na naman ako.
Di spoiler ka.
Yeah, spoiler na naman.
Ganun pala talaga trip mo bro dati.
Ha?
Ano spoil?
Di ah?
Ang dami nagsasabi sa comments eh.
Hindi ko... Ay, hindi ah.
Spoiler ka man. Spoiler ka man ha. Ang balik ko tayo mo di pag spoiler. Hindi ka mapate.
Lag lang. Malag lang guys, lag lang. Gala lang.
We had really good meal.
Yeah, times. Breakfast? Or something?
What is this? Swipe left to close.
Is that
Okay.
Tetarik? Is that Tetarik?
Thank you for that.
What's that?
Tetarik? Is it like the milk
May mga
tea,
ano
the
pala.
coffee?
Dili. It's coffee.
Meron sila mga binibigay na ano yan? Uy, salamat. Salamat sa sa heart. Thank you sa hearts.
Mongko.
Thank you sa hearts, guys. I appreciate it.
Ang galing magbenta ni Kuya eh. So,
Nakabili kayo?
Yeah. We bought something.
Very good. Anong binili niyo? Balenci?
Mhm.
Yun no.
Yeah.
Nanap mo Rick Owens?
Yeah.
Nanap niyo?
We did, but
Pero,
tsaka it was on...
hindi masyadong hindi masyadong ganoon ka,
collective?
yeah.
Ay, collective. Like, walang collection.
It's too...
Yeah.
It's not...
Dated siya.
Mostly for girls eh.
I
Oo, ang dami.
I
Yeah.
don't think it fits well.
What do you mean? The price?
Hindi.
For sure, walang problema price.
Hindi, discount.
Ah,
Drink lots of water, of course. Kayo din. Zodiac sign mo po. Capricorn po, guys. May dog na dumaan. Angas na.
Arp dapat arp ka.
Kaya nga. Thank you for the doggy. Thank you for the doggy. Ganun ba yan?
Hindi.
Paano ba yun?
Arp. Parang,
Kailangan mong gawin yung kung ano sa labas.
thank you for the doggy.
Natanggap mo yung
Thank you for the doggy.
Ayun money
Money sa...
Yung gun, yung parang may lumalabas na pera. Nawala na.
Ayun Rose mo. Thank you ka sa Rose.
Thank you sa Rose, guys. Thank you sa Rose. Thank you sa coffee. Oh, may heart Pa yung bullseye.
Ang galing mo actually.
Yung bullseye.
You're natural, bro.
Sino kasama mo? I'm with Luke. Where you from, bro?
I'm from, Jupiter.
Nag-live si Stel kahapon. Oh, really? Wala ko kaabot sa iyang live. Okay.
Live natin siya.
Ganon dili pa kita imong naong. Can't see me? Nagbabasa kasi ako. Tanan player 2 Bisaya sila.
Yeah.
It says Superior International Logistics. Wow.
Wala kanina tabi. Ay kagabi. Merong sauce.
Oh, may duck.
FPS.
Quack 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 quack.
Superior pickle sauce.
Everything superior.
May duck? Saan? Peking duck?
I don't know. Si Psyduck.
The food was also really good last night.
Super ganda na fly. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Shout out producer, galing mo.
Yabang.
Sino nang produce ng galing nun
Mismo.
Gusto kong pagawa dun.
Such a vibe.
Mismo.
Masyadong...
Masyadong fly. So fly.
So fly talaga.
Hindi, very fly.
Yeah.
Uy, ang daming heart.
Super ultra mega hyper fly. Super duper.
No, we talked about we had one guy earlier dun sa terrace, US siya. Then we talked about
Who was there last night?
I think some musician din. Pero meron siyang sinabi meron akong sinabi na something na na coolan siya, sabi niya mega fire.
Mega fire. I like it.
Bro, mega fire. Bro, that's mega fire. Parang media fire.
Asan po si Kuya Ken? He's gone, bro. Of course, I'm here.
He's gone.
Tawid ba kayo Macau? No.
It's so cold there.
Ang layo na, guys. Ang layo na. Kahit mahilo. Go lang. Boom, bullseye.
Pusa.
Boom, bullseye.
Wala ako dito, parang ito pala.
Ano daw? True what? Ay, fan ko ni here in Barcelona. Oh, hello.
Barcelona.
Thank you guys. Thank you sa heart.
With Inisay. Our aesthetic.
Bisaya ka man dong? Yes, Bisaya kayo. Sa imo. Oh, bark. Punta ba kayong Thailand? Hindi po.
Hindi ako punta Thailand.
Unsay may kasulti sa cover ni Ja. I was amazed. It was really good.
Saan yun na-shoot?
I don't know.
Ingat.
Ang ganda ng video.
Yeah.
Yeah, ganda. So refreshing.
Shout out.
Suits him so well.
Shout out SB19.
Yeah. Shout out SB19. You guys so, you know, like
Mega
really fire, mega fire.
Mega fire.
Amazing. Super Aziz.
Kwento mo kung bakit tatlong Y yung
Ha?
flag.
Oo guys.
Ano na? Unsa?
Alam ko ano story. Kasi daming tatanong bakit tatlong Y?
Ah, tatlong Y yung fly. Okay.
Kasi bakit tatlong Y? 'Di ba? Fly. Ano yun? O kasi fly means Philippe loves you.
Bro, that's smooth. It's actually smooth.
Mega fire.
But it's mega fire,
Mega
bro.
fire. Interesting. Very interesting.
Happiness. I hope you guys are happy too. I'm happy with what I'm doing right now. So I hope you guys are happy also. That's the most important thing.
Happiness.
Happiness. And of course, loneliness also.
Happiness is the
Everything nababalance naman talaga. Like, di ba? Like, yung lahat ng emotions sa isang tao.
yeah. Like there will be times.
Yeah.
na hindi ka happy pero okay lang yun. Happy ka naman kahapon.
Yeah. What the?
What? Mega fire.
What are you talking about? Dude.
Dude,
Di
happy
ba?
birthday.
Trotot yun eh.
Sorry din. Tapos na New Year.
Humana exam. Nice one.
Remind me
Good job.
of shades nasa box.
Wala, baka mabasag yun, te, ha? No, kasi yung...
It's in the box of the shoes.
Ah, yeah, okay. Kailan ka uwi ng Maragang? Was thinking about it. Speak one word in Bisaya.
Iba na kumakanta ng palayo. Biglang ko cover ng palayo.
Cover natin, cover. Ay, kanta mo yun, gag. Cover natin kanta mo. Pero ikaw kanta. Ayun, oh. Bilis, ah.
Philip, it's lakas talaga ng trip na ito mga to.
Don't be inspired.
Ingat kayo, and have a great day. You guys also have a great day. Thank you for being so thoughtful. And, you know,
Mindful.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. For the love, you know, for the undying support. Thank you.
Bro, thank you to
You guys so great. You guys are amazing, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Boom, bullseye.
Guys, thank you so much sa paan. Thank you sa pag-support sa Fly. It's 200k streams na. Shout out to
Oh,
you
really?
guys. Yeah, bro.
200 na di ay?
200?
Ay.
No, 230 na gani. Thank you guys. We love... I blicked it. Love you.
Baliktad.
What?
But.
What? Thank you for the smile. Thank you for the finger heart. Finger heart. Ice cream. Finger heart.
Mato ka Korea, Ken. Dili na guys. Dili na ko mato Korea. Hindi na. Thank you sa teddy bear, sa stuffed toy. Maligo na kayo. Maligo na yung gustong maligo dyan.
Ikaw naligo ka?
Yeah, I did.
Kalimutan ko. Naligo ba ako?
Asan ka? Right now, nasa tunnel kami. Ato, di ba ano to? Parang underwater, under the sea.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah. So cool, right?
Dang.
Under the sea. Angas ba, like?
Wow.
Dapat fiberglass yung sa taas, tapos makita mo yung water sa taas, tapos yung mga isda dumadaan.
May narinig akong shark kanina.
Legit ba? Bruh, that's the shittiest thing I've heard
That's
from you.
legitimate, bro.
Legitimate, no cap.
Tanong mo siya, legit ba?
Legit. Parang marinig ang shark kung hindi naman yung nag-aw-aw.
Yeah.
Look, it's so funny. Wait, ano na kayo? Yung QR.
Yeah.
Ay,
Boom, bullseye. Hello sa viewers, hello sa mga nanonood. Binabati ko kayo ng magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Sana kumain na kayo kasi anong oras na pala?
very from heart.
Yun nga, kanina ko tinitingnan. Ganda.
May cup ko.
Di ba sa Pope yan? Pope Francis. Ave Maria.
That right there.
It's a violation.
That right there is a violation.
Okay.
Watching from UK. Hello.
Grabe naman yung Chanel na yun. Pwede po pa-touch nga. Ano to?
Resibo lang yun.
Oo nga akin.
Uy, wala tingnan na nakakahiya.
Ano maganda lang tao? Siyempre ako. Watching from Australia. Hello. Hello. Thank you, stuff toy.
Okay, we're in San Francisco right now. Damn, look at the water.
Look at the water, bro.
Like the water,
It's blue.
It's nah, it's gray.
The ocean is blue.
The ocean is gray, man.
Yeah.
The ocean is a reflection of the sky.
No, the ocean is a reflection.
Hell
of
no,
the
bro. So pag green yung water, sinasabi mo sa reflection of the sky?
Hindi.
Kung talaga
Nah,
online
it's
tayo,
not real.
mag-aaway.
The ocean is the reflection of yourself.
Yun na yung deep realization ako.
Oh, tumingin ka sa ocean.
Ganda ng island, bro. Tingnan mo.
Parang magkawalay-walay.
Eh. May bangka pa dumadaan, oh.
Ano yan? Shopee ko yan.
Oh. Uy! Ano yun? May nabigay ng diamante.
Ano yun?
I don't know.
Gawin mo. You shining bright like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
BBS akong grip.
Baby, yes, akong drip mo rin Nike.
Thank you ka, parang mall yun.
May heart din, ah.
Yun, space bar.
Look, isang hi daw sa'yo, sabi.
Hi. Kalimutan kong salita ka.
Speak Bisaya. Madami nanonood ngayon, so baka hindi rin nila maintindihan. What's up, mga choy?
Wala yung sand, pero no? There's like water, pero why sand?
Lagi, medyo gloomy ang panahon, bro, kaya walang sun.
Sand?
Bruh.
Nice, nice.
Saan tayo?
Megabar.
Yeah.
Saan kayo?
Saan ka?
Walay saan.
Saan ka punta?
Sun breathing.
Dudum?
Sa gabunda,
Saan kayo kay
road
Waisan?
trip,
Huh?
boom boom, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, so fake, no
Ay,
room,
sad.
mga muta, namumula.
Baka daw pumunta. Baka kalindig dalawang
Walang tuwi
five.
sa pigas sa biyaheng isa ka dyan, ay kay bumaba. Sa gabunda, dudumong, road trip, boom boom, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, so fake, no room,
Mali,
mga
mali,
mata,
mali,
namumula.
mali.
Sa gabunda, dudumong,
Nag-request pa, uy.
skirt skirt, zoom zoom, so fake, no room, mga mata, namumula. Asa ng trees, nadala mo ba? Walang tuwi sa pigas sa biyaheng isa ka dyan, ay kay bumaba. Sa gabunda, dudumong.
Short skirt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, wow. Uy, Disneyland, oh.
How there? Sa gabunda, Drummond, road trip, zoom zoom, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, safari. Piercing, I got 4 sa, I don't know, here 2, tas meron ako sa lips, pero di ko lang nilalagyan.
Ay?
Yeah, I got 4, no. I think, pero di ko lang nilalagyan. Matagal na. Feel ko nagsarado na, nag-heal na.
Okay.
Huh? No. I did it myself, bro.
What?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
Doesn't even hurt. I didn't even feel anything. So there was boom, bullseye. Manifesting I'll meet you this year. Ako din. Sana ma-meet ko kayo soon.
Punta kayo ng Jollibee. Hindi naman tayo papunta Jollibee. Sorry.
Road trip, boom boom, skirt skirt, zoom zoom, safari. Boom boom, namamita, namamulod.
Ah, talaga? Sa ano? Yun lang alam mo kung Pilipino.
Matulog na kayo guys. Kung wala pa kayong tulog, mga taga-ibang bansa dyan, matulog na kayo. Huwag niyo napilitin kasi baka may work pa kayo or may pasok pa kayo. Matulog na kayo, ha?
Good night, Kuya Ken. Good night, Kuya Philly. I'm so confused. Is it Philip or Philippe?
Philippe.
Philippe
Yeah.
or Philip?
Kung ano gusto niyo. Kung ano gusto ng tao. Ganun
Kasi-
naman eh.
kasi kung
Still the
Philippe-
same, bro.
Kung Philip, dapat F-I-L-I-P.
F.
Philip.
Huh? Philip. I don't think it matters, bro. It
Yeah.
matters. I don't think it
Kung
matters.
gusto nila Philip, okay lang.
Yeah.
Kung gusto nila Philip,
Actually, the
okay
first
lang.
person we heard say Philip.
Philip talaga.
Yeah. And then every time you
Makes sense.
record it.
Philip. It reads as ano lang.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
There's violation.
Foreigners, eh.
Very interesting. Oh, no. Because Felix.
Philip.
Philip. Dapat Philip. Ewan ko ba?
Chef, I'm a five-star. Go get back, chef. I'm a five-star. Michelin. Mais you jams on chicken. Boy, elegant.
Ha?
Patek.
Pate. Oh, ano. Patek. Patek. Okay lang yun. Philippines.
Here's your lip. I don't know. May apat ako nabuta sa lips ko. Pero di ko na siya nilalagyan. Nagbabasa kasi ako ng comments eh. So, hindi ako makabasa pag ganito. So,
McDonald's, ganun lang din lasa.
ano? Yung?
Wala. Wala ka narinig. Wala narinig ang mata.
Kaya ba tanawa ko sa view? Of course. So, this is what Hong Kong looks like.
Looks like Hong Kong.
No, because papunta kaming somewhere. Wala kami sa city ngayon.
We're on the way somewhere.
Yeah.
On the way to the valley.
On the way to nowhere.
On the way to the valley of
To the valley of death.
Downtown. Crazy for real. Hong Kong? It's kind of crazy, bro. Is it your first time?
Ano?
Is it your first time?
Yeah, first time ko dito.
Can you say?
I really like it here, man. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Especially the weather.
Yeah.
That's part of the lyrics.
Ganda yung ano. Malamig.
Yeah,
Bugnaw, bugnaw.
Like, brr.
Sun, the morning, rain is falling.
Yun.
Ding, 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 da, do, da. Forget about trying to get that mom I am in. Boom. Bullseye. Yeah, someday we'll lead it back to you, yeah. Huh? What's that?
Nasa bag ko.
Oh.
Orange. Shaker, yeah, it's a shaker.
Are you? Yes, mahaba na. Boko. Driving slowly Sunday morning. I never. Uy, pinakasalan ako, may nagbigay ng wedding ring.
Uy! Ring, 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 ring. I never mind.
Ilan tattoo mo, Ken? 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, iniisa-isa naman, di naman talaga magkadikit yan ah.
Ano nakasulat dyan?
Complex. Yung EP ko.
Ah, talaga?
Yep.
Let's see.
Boom. Bullseye.
D80. Kasi, meron ba siyang chains? Ano yan?
Vitamin C.
Uy, sarap to! Favorite ko to.
Yeah.
Kasi
Violence
mama
daw
ko
yan
may
eh.
ganito. Ako nakakaubos.
Ginawa mo na itong candy masyado eh. Violence yan eh.
Hindi naman daw nakaka-overdose, so okay lang.
Yan nagkaka-overdose. I hope it does, bro. Para di mo na uubusin mo eh. Ubusin mo eh.
Bakit? Ha?
Just drink a lot of water, okay?
Pangalawa ko na to.
Vitamin C man lang.
Meron kong mayag doon.
Yeah, meron.
Bites. Thank you.
Candy.
I never. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Sarap. Wala siyang vitamins.
Yeah. Matamis na ano ba, no?
Parang,
Naramdam, ano, lasa mo pa rin yung parang medicine.
yeah, strawberry. Or, ako gusto siya. Nakabook na kayo yung iba? Nakabook na kayo sila?
Yeah, for sure. It was there when we went.
Wala pa pabook pa sila.
I didn't know it was there.
That she's all I see. I'm jealous of the rain falls upon your skin. It's colder than our hands have been. I'm jealous of the rain. I wish you best of all these words could be. And I
You
told
think
you.
Huh?
You think the train is ready?
No, we're just taxi.
Did you
Maybe
train?
we have train.
Ang saya ng train.
If I think it's the same.
Same flight lang sa Singapore. Kaso, mas makakalito yung dito. Sa Singapore, di ba parang one line lang.
Yeah.
Dito, ang parang ganun, no? Alam mo yung connected up?
What's your favorite song right now? Ano te? Bye guys, I'm gonna be ending the live. Bye. Take care everyone. Thank you
Thank
so
you for
much.
the hearts and everything. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Streamfly.
Yeah, Streamfly.
And,
Stream SB19 songs, Streamfly, Stream Philip. Bye. Love you.